Hello everyone, Ollie Tech Boy is here. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing or muted voice lines or agent voice line in Valorant. To fix that, go to File Explorer, clear the bar by clicking and pressing backspace, then copy and paste the following directory. I'll be giving that in the description below, which is C, Riot Games, Valorant Live, Engine, Binary, ThirdParty, Windows, X Audio 2_9, x64, press enter to enter the directory, delete x audio 2_9 with this DLL. Once done, close the File Explorer and open Valorant. Allow it to download the file if necessary. This will take a while, so please be patient. You open the launcher, you just download the file and click play if necessary. This will take some time, so be very patient. And Valorant is loading, as you can see. To test the voice lines, go to play, custom game, start match. Then pick your agent as you normally would. For me, I'll pick Sky and lock in.
Right, where's the fight?
Once the game is loaded, the agent voice line should work. This will take a while.
They crossed a line coming here. This ain't their world. It's ours.
As you can see, the voice lines are working correctly now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video and hope it works for you. Please like, share and comment on the video, and please do subscribe to my channel as well. I hope to see you again in another video soon. Bye for now.